All right, we got numbers. This is the guy. This is the guy you just saw me talking to his friend. This is the guy. He's going to be really modest, which is unique for a person in LA. But
That's why I'm a New Yorker.
He's a stunt car driver all over the country, and he's got a really cool racetrack or race training. How did he explain
Stunt driving school.
Stunt driving school?
Yes.
So the name of the stunt driving school is
Drivers East.
Drivers East. And what do you get to jump cars and stuff? What do you get to do?
We do everything but trade paint and crash them, and sometimes we tag a little bit, but sliding around, reverse 180s, 190s, skid turns, stuff like that.
Oh man. Oh man. I got to get to know this guy. This sounds way too much fun. I went to Chuckwalla Valley Raceway and I had fun. This might be more fun than Chuckwalla.
It's a lot of fun.
All right, I appreciate it. Well, so check him out. There's the website right below us. Take a look. He's busy racing around cars, so he'll try to make time for you. But if you want to have a stunt driver experience here on the east side of the country, check him out. Guys, I saw this guy. We're sitting here waiting for American Muscle to start up. They're going to be doing, We're going to be doing dynos over here. But look at his shirt. How cool is this t-shirt?
You are not going to want to miss this. Turbo Cobra, twin turbo.
What do you got? What are you driving? Driving anything?
Yeah, 06 GT Mustang.
06 GT Mustang. So it's all about Mustang and American Muscle. There are so many Mustangs here. I don't know what to do with myself. But I saw this t-shirt and I said, dude, we got to do it. It's on the Instagram page too. If you're not checking out Instagram, it's MustangMedic.
Just a minute.
You want to say anything? Oh, he's good.
And behind it, it's a 6R80, brand new automatic transmission.
All right, I'm a little shaky, but I shot it with an Osmo.
So
you guys go
again,
to
MustangMedic
MustangMedic
on time, maybe a little early, all right?
on YouTube.
But we also have some great vendors,
see
Ford
a
Star.
high-def,
So we got an interesting
view
going
of
on
this
here.
car.
The rear end's from
I
a new
apologize
Mustang.
for the
Those who are
shaking.
familiar, SN95
She came in rumbling.
Fox body
Again, if you want to hear a rumble,
Ford Star
go
to the
to
rescue. They built us a
YouTube
custom set of
and
wheels for us.
subscribe to MustangMedic. Can you tell him just unabashed now on talking about YouTube? But she's a bad girl. I like bad girls.
Hit the steering wheel if you're not strapped in.
Sorry.
So really good
I have to admit it.
But I can't say enough good things about everybody that worked on this.
It upsets my mother that I like bad girls. I'm trying to figure that out.
This is
Guys, look, unrestored glory. Unrestored glory. 71 or 72? 72? I did a 71. Gotta check it out. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Unrestored. That's original paint on a Wimbledon white 72 Fastback. They're getting rarer and rarer. I love them. Not everybody loves them, but I love them.